Let me show you how to make this in a few minutes. My lovies, how are you all doing? I'm going to be using my Viva Plus multipurpose soap, Viva Plus detergent, and a grater. Of course, you can either use Coke, Sprite, or malt. So for me, I prefer to use. The thing we're going to do right now is to open our soap and grate it into a pot. The soap smells amazing, by the way. I have finished grating my soap. The next thing I want to do right now is to add in my detergent. The stove, the heat shouldn't be too high, and then of course we add our Coke. So I had to go in with a whisk to help me melt everything properly, because I noticed when I was using the spatula, it wasn't smooth. It wasn't really coming out smooth. But you can absolutely use your spatula or whatever works for you. You don't necessarily have to use a whisk like I did. So now I think everything is nice and smooth, and I'm going to pour it now into my containers. So this is my solution. I'm going to leave this to sit. I think our soap is ready. So I'm going to try to pull it out now. And you know what I found out about using plastic is that when you use plastic, it's easier to come off. So this is what you do. If you use plastic, you just pull it apart. You pull this side apart and just pop it up. Then your soap is out. I'm going to cut this into different sizes. So the size that somebody can hold. I think this one came out as 2. So yeah, this is our remodeled Viva. I'm going to use it now with this soap. So let's see if it works. This is so cool. See, it worked. It worked. Absolutely worked. This video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you kindly do so, because in this channel all we do is to share helpful tips with you. Daily dose of everything. You will get it on this page. Soap that I made. I think this is the perfectly shaped one among all of them. If I had more of these plates, I would absolutely make more of this. Maybe this is a sign for me to go and get more ice cream. I am definitely going to do this again. Most definitely. It still maintains a great fragrance. I set it in a particular room to allow it to solidify. And once you enter that room, like the fragrance that comes out is so welcoming. I almost forgot that I had this, and then I turned and looked at it. I was like, oh wow. So this is the soap that is giving me all this fragrance. So it's amazing. You should try this. Thank you to the person who shared this hack the first time. God bless you. And for you who is watching for the first time and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel, because we share really helpful tips here. I will see you in the next one.